Hello students, welcome back to your English class. This is your English class. So, which chapter we will read? Chapter 10. Okay. In this chapter, we will learn use of what. Use of what? U-S-C, use O-F, of, W-H-A-T, what. Use of what. Okay. So, my dear students, do you know what is the meaning of what? What means kya? You are asking now your friend, what is your name? Means आपका नाम क्या है? So, what means always क्या होता है? क्या? जब भी हम किसी को कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, ओके, व्हाट इज योर नेम, व्हाट इज योर सिस्टर नेम, तो उसके लिए हम लोग और व्हाट इज दिस, ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? व्हाट. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स कम, वी विल रीड दिस पेज नंबर 21. ओके, you have English book? Yes, no? So please students, take your English book and take out page number 21 and you also read after me. Okay, we will read together. Understood? Okay, so first one here, L-O-O-K, look, A-N-D, and R-E-A-D, read. Look and read. Look and read means, look means देखना, read means पढ़ना. So look and read. तो हमको अभी क्या करना है? यहाँ पे देख के रीडिंग करना है. ओके, सो हियर W-H-A-T, what, I-S is U-S-E-D, used, F-O-R, for, A-S-K-I-N-G, asking, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, questions. ओके, what is used for asking questions? what हम लोग क्यों यूज करते हैं? for asking questions. किसी भी प्रश्न पूछने के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? what. ओके, ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स हियर. ओके, W-H-A-T, what, I-S is, T-H-I-S, this. What is this? Question is, what is this? Okay, so how you will say answer? First, you will say this, T-H-I-S, this. So, you know what is the meaning of this? Because I have already taught you in your previous class. You know? Yes, this means ye. Okay, is means he, a means one. Okay, or R-A-B-B-I-T means rabbit, means khargosh. So, question, what is this? So, answer you will say, this is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन, तो आंसर आपको क्या बोलना है? दिस इज ए रैबिट, ये एक खरगोश है. ओके, हियर W-H-A-T, what, I-S is, T-H-A-T, that. What is that? What is that? So answer, how you will say? that. That means wow, means दूर पे कुछ भी सिंगल है तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? that. You know? Yes. So that is a bear, meaning B-E-A-R, means bhalu. You know this one? Bhalu. Okay. So question, what is that? That is a bear. Okay. Understood? Next one, W-H-A-T, what, I-S is, T-H-I-S, this. What is this? तो आपको आंसर कैसे बोलना है? This is a fish. T-H-I-S, this, I-S is a F-I-S-H, fish. This is a fish. ये क्या है? तो आपको कैसे बोलना है? This is a fish. ये एक मछली है. Fish means मछली, no? Yes. Here, what is that? What is that? So answer, that, T-H-A-T, that is an owl. Okay, O-W-L means उल्लू. उल्लू देखिए, yes, उल्लू. Okay, so that is an owl. वो एक उल्लू है. Okay, now this one, what, W-H-A-T, what is this? What is this? So answer, this is a rat. This is a rat. Rat means चूहा. T-H-I-S, this, I-S is a rat. This is a rat. So ये क्या है? ये एक चूहा है. Okay, here this one, what is that? Question, व्हाट इज दैट, वो क्या है। आंसर कैसे बोलना है, दैट इज ए केक, दैट THAT, दैट IS इज ACAKE, केक, दैट इज ए केक, वो एक केक है। दिस वन केक। आर यू ईटिंग केक, खाते हो कि नहीं। नाउ यू आर ईटिंग, नो नो, नाउ यू आर studying. Okay, so when you will eat cake, whenever you will go any party or any birthday celebrate, okay, that times you will eat cake. जब आप पार्टी में जाओगे तभी खाओगे ना, yes, okay. And next one here, what is this, what is this, so answer, this is a sheep, this is a sheep, SHAAAEP, sheep, this is a sheep. ओके, मीन्स क्या होता है, भेड़, भेड़ देखे हो, हैव यू सीन एनी टाइम, नो, हियर सो मेनी शिप्स अवेलेबल नो आउटसाइड, सो यू कैन सी, नो प्रॉब्लम, ओके. देन हियर, व्हाट इज दैट, दिस वन, दैट इज ए सोप, SOAP, सोप मीन्स साबुन, ओके. Whenever you are taking bath, that time what you will apply in your body, soap, yes, soap, shampoo, no, yes, so this one soap, okay, that is a soap, यह वह एक soap साबुन है, okay. Now once again we will read, okay. Here, what is this, what is this, this is a rabbit, this is a rabbit, okay. What is that, what is that, that is a bear, okay. What is this is a fish, okay. What is that, sorry, what is this is a fish. What is that, that is an owl, okay. What is this is a rat. What is that, that is a cake, that is a cake. What is this is a sheep, okay. What is that, that is a soap, okay. Now comes some more example we will see, okay. Here are some more example, okay. Here, this one, what is this, okay. So question, how we will say here, what, WHAT, what is this, because this rabbit, no, this one RABBIT, rabbit. Now you see this sentence finished here and this rabbit near only, okay. That's why I have written here this, because this one near, and far, any time, anything's far, that times what we will write, that, okay, okay, no, yes. So what is this, so how we will write answer, this is a rabbit, this is a rabbit, ये क्या है, so आपको कैसे बोलना आंसर, this is a rabbit, यह एक खरगोश है, okay. Now next one, what is that, now you see sentence over here only, but this cake near, no, little far, okay. That's why I have written here that, because it is distance, no, cake, yes. So what is that, so answer how we will write, that is a cake, that is a cake, वह एक केक है, okay. This one cake, no, yes, so वह एक केक है, okay. Then what is this, this one, so this one near, yes, this one near, this sentence over here finished, and here only this sheep, okay, भेड़, so this is a sheep, okay. Next, what is that, now see, now look this sheep, fish, this one little far, so that's why what we will write answer, that is a fish, वह एक मछली है, okay. Now this one, what is this, this one computer, okay. Have you seen computer, yes, so this one computer. Now this computer is near, yes, this one near, that's why what we will write, this is a computer, this is a computer, ये एक computer है, okay. Now next one, what is that, now look this birds is near or far, okay. So answer how we will write, that is a owl, ये एक owl है ना, Yes. Ullu? Yes. So this one far. Okay. So my dear students, hope you understood use of what? Yes. Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. So what is your homework? Please students, page number 21, you have to read at least 5 or 6 times. Okay. Again and again. Then I will give this answer. Okay. Page, chapter 10. No. So you can write in your English copy. Okay. So please students study well and take care. Thank you.